Today, I'll show you how to download the Claude AI mobile app and use it. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Claude has official mobile apps, and on Android, the official listing is called Claude by Anthropic. Anthropic's Help Center says you install it from the Google Play Store by searching for that exact name, or by opening the official Play Store listing directly. To get started, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your phone and search for Claude by Anthropic. Make sure the app is from Anthropic, then tap Install or Get. On Android, Anthropic's official support page says this is the normal installation method. Once the app finishes downloading, open Claude and sign in or create an account. After that, you can start chatting right away by typing your question or request in the message box. Anthropic's Help Center also says Claude Mobile supports code execution and file creation, so you can ask it to help create things like spreadsheets, PowerPoints, Word documents, and PDFs directly from your conversation. Now let's talk about using the app. The simplest way is to type a normal request, like asking Claude to summarize something, explain a topic, write an email, or help plan a project. If you prefer speaking instead of typing, Anthropic says the mobile app also supports voice mode. To use it, open the Claude app, tap the voice mode icon next to the microphone area, choose a voice, and then start talking. There are also some newer mobile features available now. Anthropic's release notes say that as of March 25, 2026, Claude on iOS and Android can connect to interactive apps inside the mobile experience, which means some conversations can include richer visual tools and live interactive content. If you want to stay organized, Anthropic also offers projects, which let you group related chats and add project instructions so Claude behaves a certain way for that project. Anthropic says you can manage project instructions and knowledge, so Claude works more consistently across chats in the same project. One more thing to remember is that Claude Mobile is not the same as Claude Code. Claude Code is Anthropic's coding tool for terminal, IDE, desktop, web, and related workflows, while the regular mobile app is the standard Claude chat experience for phones. And that's how to download the Claude AI mobile app and use it. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.